Today I'm going to tell you about a tool which is called draw.io. Now this draw.io is a wonderful tool which can be used for making of flowcharts, entity relationship diagrams, and you can do a lot of case studies, mind mapping using this particular software which is called the draw.io. So the first thing that I want to tell you is you can change the storage. Now here you have the options of putting your, when you create your flowchart diagram, either you can save it in Google Drive or OneDrive or device, Dropbox and so on. So you can explore that, and I click on device. That is my device. And I have the option of creating new diagram or an existing diagram, and I am creating a new diagram and a basic or a plain blank diagram. And I have many options like map, flowchart, engineering drawings, etc., which you can explore. And then I click on create, and I give it a name as flowchart 2. Okay, that's the name of my file. And here I am also giving, it is called flowchart 2. And here now I have the task of picking up shapes. So these are the general shapes that you can pick up, and there are many miscellaneous shapes that you can explore and see which one you need to use and apply. And yes, there are advanced ones which you can explore. And of course, when I'm using a flowchart, I am going to use these shapes. Now, when I am using a flowchart, let me just give you a brief example. I click on start, and I take the shape here in the center. I write start, and I want to have another shape, that is your input box. And now I pick up the shape from here, which is the input box. And here I am with the input box, and I write input your age, right? And here I am now going to connect these two shapes. And when I'm connecting these two shapes, see, there are arrows here, the simple line, a bidirectional connector, and a single directional arrow, and I'm picking up this one. Now remember that when you put the arrow here and the pointer to the boundary of this, you will get a kind of a green line, which means it is now connected. Now supposing I want to take a decision box, that is this one. Yeah, so I take this decision box, I can resize the shape. Yeah, we can resize it. I can take a single directional arrow and connect this one with this. Yeah, and maybe yeah, I want to make it straight, and so I give it, is your age greater than 18? Then I will have yes or no. So here, supposing I take a box, yeah, and supposing, now remember this, now I have a box, you can see these arrows alongside. So if I want another box, I can simply click on this, and here I can have this particular box, and I can put it here. Yeah, so this is it, and I connect it with this shape, this arrow with this box, and so on. So this is how you can actually make your own flowcharts. Yes, and do explore, because there are a lot of things that you can make with these kind of shapes with flowcharts, connect them with lines, and it's a wonderful tool. Do use it, and make your thinking process clear, and your concepts will become clear. Use it for case studies, use it for mind mapping, flow charting, and so on. Thank you.